membered ring containing both sulfur and nitrogen. So we have seen all ring structures, and in this we are going to see about tetracyclines. That is a linear ring. So three members connected linearly means you will tell anthracene, isn't it? So similarly you have 4 membered, and here we will calculate the rings like this. That is, this ring will be calculated as A, B, C, D. Okay. So we are having the D ring as aromatic. So what is the word you have to remember is octahydronaphthalene. Okay. So in a naphthalene, 2 naphthalene rings are connected means it will be 4 rings. So it is having octahydro means it is saturated rings. It is missing with 8 hydrogen atoms. So we are having here the D ring is aromatic in nature, and these groups are similar in tetracycline. So what is the first precursor or prodrug isolated is chlor-tetracycline. So if you tell light dissolves light, similarly the tetracyclines are discovered from the microorganisms. So tetracycline is a broad spectrum antibiotics. Polypeptide in nature means it is having a double bond O. And the classification is naturally occurring tetracycline, chlor-tetracycline, oxytetracycline, dimethylcycline. That means dimethylcyclosin. So dimethylcyclo means methyl group is missing. Semisynthetic you have doxycycline, minocycline, mimicycline, rolling tetracycline. If you take the pharmacokinetic parameters, it is divided into short acting, intermediate acting and long acting, and all the examples are mentioned here. So what we have to remember is, in case of your chemistry, you need to classify according to the source as well as in the duration of action. Here only the one ring is there, linear anthracene ring is there. That's why we are having this. Ignore for now. So this we have to give naturally occurring and short acting. Next slide please.